Well, it would take full advantage of tomorrow's weather because it's all downhill from there. A beautiful day shaping up Saturday, 73 degrees. Sunday's kind of a transition day. In fact, there could be a very large temperature spread Sunday from northeast to southwest, where areas west and southwest of Dallas and Fort Worth are still well into the 60s, with perhaps some 40s up around the Paris area. We'll be in between in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in the 50s, and then the Arctic air arrives Monday and Tuesday, very cold, before we see another quick warm-up Wednesday and especially Thursday and Friday. Our first bout of wintry weather late Sunday night, early Monday morning. At this point in time, only looks like it'll have minor impacts, and that would mainly be north and west of Dallas and Fort Worth, with light icing possible, mainly on elevated roads. Temperatures should only be in the low, maybe even mid-30s here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, keeping roads wet. One of the reasons why I only expect the impacts to be minimal are the temperatures this weekend, which will be obviously in the 70s tomorrow, so we're going to have warm road surfaces, and temperatures above our heads are going to be upwards of 50 degrees at around 5,000 feet, so relatively warm water falling on that borderline cold surface. No need to worry about any weather tomorrow. Sunny, 50 at 9 o'clock in the morning. As we head into the afternoon, 73 degrees and still very mild at 9 o'clock tomorrow night, with temperatures in the low 60s. High today reached 67, morning low 35, 60 and 39. The averages. Pollen count was very high again today at over 600 for elm, juniper and grass. UV index moderate at 4. We're currently in the 50s all around the Dallas-Fort Worth area, with winds that are blowing out of the southwest at 8. The dew point 38. The pressure is at 30.20. Temperatures currently range from 46 in Gainesville, 48 degrees in Greenville to 58 degrees in Dallas. And overnight tonight will only fall back into the 40s. As you look around the country, you notice temperatures not really that cold. Certainly not indicative of an Arctic air mass coming our way, but you have to look just north of the border, where we find temperatures at 26 degrees below zero in Thompson. Winnipeg is -6 right now, and that Arctic air will begin pouring south of the border as we head through the overnight period tonight into the northern tier, the upper Midwest. Futurecast showing a beautiful day on the way tomorrow, with mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the 70s. And then here comes the initial blast of cooler air on Sunday afternoon that will likely separate maybe 40s up around the Paris area from 60s well down to our south and west. We're going to see rain develop late Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, and cold air is going to be chasing this rain. I think it may catch up in areas to our north and west to briefly switch that rain over to freezing rain, but with road surface temperatures still relatively warm. Again, only impacts would likely be on elevated road surfaces. Of course, we'll be monitoring this very closely. If the Arctic air arrives a little sooner and is a little stronger push, the impacts could be a little bit more significant. Then as we head into Monday night, the rain redevelops, and temperatures above our heads this time look a little bit colder, which would mean that rain could change over to snow very late Monday night into Tuesday morning, and then get out of here quickly by Tuesday afternoon. So two potential periods of wintry weather. 73 tomorrow, 57 on Sunday. Rain develops Sunday night, could end as freezing rain early Monday morning. Monday afternoon looks dry, and then a second round late Monday night, Tuesday morning. That could be rain changing to snow. 40 by the afternoon Tuesday, 50 Wednesday, 55 Thursday. Back in the 60s with a gusty wind on Friday.